Hello. So let's discuss today's GFG solution. So first we understand the question and then see that how we came up to the solution and then code the solution. So we have given an array ARR of positive integers and they said that find the number of pairs whose integers difference equal a given number k. Now that A and B and A are considered as same, also the same numbers at different indices are considered different. Okay, so we have to consider the difference between two numbers like 1 and 5 and then 5 and 1 to be only one time. Okay, so we are given an array 1, 5, 3, 4, 2 and the difference is k equals to 3. So we have to find the numbers of pairs whose difference is 3. So 1 has a difference with 4 of 3 and then 4 and 1 again considered to be same because they already said their point, and the another is that 5 and 2. So these are the two different pairs that we can find out from here, so our answer is 2. Similarly in this array our answer is 5. So let's see the solution that how we have to uh, code it, or how we can came up to this solution. Okay, so as you find that we have to find a number from 1 that has a distance of 3. Okay, because only then the answer the pairs can only find out. So what it mean that if I find out a number with 1, then what I have to do, we have to find out a number that is k distance from it. So 1 plus k, so 1 plus k, that should be 4. Okay, so we know that we have already a number that is 1 and 4 can find out. Okay, and the another number that can be k distance from it, from this number is 1 and 1 minus k, because that also has a distance of k. So 1 minus k is what? 1 minus 3 is minus 2, and minus 2 is not present. So this cannot be counted as a pair because it is not present. Okay, so let's discuss the solution of this example by considering this point in mind. So we have a number one, and has a number one has a k distance forward, that is 4. So this can be counted as 1. 5 5 has a 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, and the second number is 5 plus 3 8, but only 2 is present. Okay, so it can be only considered once. So and 3 and 3 6, and the another number that it can be present here, that 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, so that can only be k distance from the 3, or that is 3 distance from 3. And 4 has two numbers that are 3 distance from it, that 4 plus 3 is 7. And what another number? 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, and for 2 k distance number is 5, and the another number is 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Okay, so from here we can see that 4 is present, so we count it once. 2 is present, we count it once. And for this 3, there is no number present. For this 4, 1 is also present. For this 2, 5 is also present. So total solution, if we count without considering that a and b and a are same, so total solution from here is 4. And we count each number twice, so 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that should be our answer. Okay, so what if the example given here can be that 1 5 3 and 4 and 2 and again 1 is present. Okay, so then what happen, then 5 can have pair with 1, and 5 also can pair with 1 also. So there are two solution counted here. Okay, so what we have to do, that if we first store all the element in a map, and then we find that if 5 minus k, 5 minus k, and 5 plus k. Okay, 5 minus k and 5 plus k. So these two number are present. Then what we do? We add the frequency of both of these number, that how many times they are present. So let's say here k value is 4. So then what happens? That 5 minus 4 is 1. So what we do? That 5 has two pairs. So we add 2 in it, because 5 minus k has a frequency of 2. Okay, so that is our answer. And same thing happens here, that for if this one is here, then 1 plus k we have to add in our answer. So 1 plus k is how much, like 1 plus 4 is 5. So 5 is present only one, then 1 and 5 is counted here also, and 1 and 5 is counted here also. So what we do, at final we divide the whole answer by 2. Okay, so that thing we have to do. So let's see the code here, that what we are doing. Okay, so we are taking an 100 map that take a time complexity of log n in finding out the number. Okay, and we first traverse the complete array, and then what we are doing, we pushing all the elements in our map, then we take a count equal to 0 for counting the answer. Then what we are doing that, we take in mind that there are two numbers can be present at our k distance from a given number, like arr of I plus k and arr of my minus k, and we are adding the number that how many times that number is present, because here we already seen that 5 has two answer counted, 5 with this one and 5 with this number. So that's why we have to add our answer. So these are the two numbers that are present, and we are adding that our answer, and at finally we are divide the whole answer by 2. So this is our solution. So let's compile and run this code, and then we see the solution, that what we are doing here. So I think that it's running fine, and let's submit the solution. So it is got accepting. So thank you.